Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on Strong.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and this is not financial advice. We'll be giving you an update video on Strong and why it is still a viable investment and how it's been performing within the recent dips too.
But before we get into this video, please may I say that only 5.6% of you that watch our videos are actually subscribed. So if you could hit that subscribe button, it would really help us out. Thank you. So for a brief summary of what Strong is, of what we talked about in the last video, is Strong is basically the best coin for you to have a passive income, especially right now with these dips we've had. Like, it's perfect time to be using Strong. As you can see, it's already starting to ramp up a bit. But what Strong does, so basically you can get a node and you need 10 Strong for this node, and right now one Strong is only $150, so it will cost you $1.5 grand in dollars for one node. And this node, per node you have, you'll earn 0.1 Strong a day. So it will take 3.5 months for you to then be in profit, and then you'll also be making money from the coin going up. As you can see, it was sorry, I can't get to it. It was almost $300. In fact, it was $300 at one point. So it would double your money if you bought now, if it did go back up to $300, and you'd be getting 0.1 Strong a day. So you can't stress how good this coin is. Of course, not financial advice.
Okay, so as we can see here, we've got NFTs as well for Strong tokens. So there's silver, there's gold, and there's platinum. Okay, and as you can see, they are going very quickly. They are on sale at the moment. And as you can see, the platinum is around almost 62 left. Okay, so that's the one that everyone wants to get, since that's the best one you can do it for. And you need around 80 Strong in order to do that, or equivalently to 8 Ethereums. Okay, so if you want to pay with your Strong reward, you can do that. Or let's say you don't have enough, you can always go with the silver. Okay, so as you can see, the silver adds 0.03 Strong per node, which is, extra rewards. And it can also be used for up to 2 nodes in one wallet. Okay, so let's say you have 2 nodes, you can get a silver one and it will give you more extra rewards. Okay, so this one adds 0.04 Strong per node, so the standard rate is 0.1 Strong. The rewards haven't, there's no news that the rewards will be halved yet. So the reward is 0.1, and you're adding an extra 0.04, adding an extra 40% of your rewards daily. And it also can be used for up to 5 nodes in one wallet. Okay, so total is 0.2 additional Strong per 7,000 Ethereum blocks. Okay, so it gives you more Strong rewards in your wallet. And let's say you have more than 5 nodes, which is crazy. So the platinum one gives you an extra 50% boost on your rewards daily. Okay, and it can be used for up to 10 nodes in one wallet. Okay, so let's say you have 10 nodes in your wallet, you can get this super rare platinum NFT that Strong currently has. And in my opinion, I think if you have around 10 Strong in your wallet and you're willing to maximize your rewards, I recommend getting the platinum. 10 nodes in your wallet would be around almost, at current price, it'll be around £10,800
Be about
and
15.
$15,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that basically means that you would need that much to make 10 nodes, and you'll be maximizing your rewards from this, which you'll be spending 80 Strong on or 80 Ethereum on. So yeah, these are the NFTs that they currently offer, and if you are wanting to make more and more rewards on top of your nodes, this is a great passive income thing. And also, they also have a saving pot, okay, where you can put your Strong rewards into a 40% mining pool, which is amazing. So you're constantly earning money on top of your money, and that money is earning your money. So it is something that you should keep an eye on, and I think that it is definitely something that many people are gonna start to move their money onto, because everyone wants passive income, especially if we do enter a short-term bear market. You always want to be making money and not having to look at the market and looking at how much money you're up or down, basically. Okay, so as we can see on their Twitter, they've got upwards of plus 41,000 nodes. Okay, so the community is growing, and soon enough, in my opinion, I think Stronger will be worth a lot more money, because right now the market cap is sitting at around 20 million, around that dollars. And there will be a lot more investors trying to put their money into passive income coins, because everyone wants to be making money, whether it's a bull market or a bear market. Okay, so this will give you passive income in that regard. So you'll be making strong every single day, and there's almost, in my opinion, I think there will be 45,000 by next month because by the way we're looking at it, it's growing every single day. People are buying more and more nodes. There's going to be more node holders. The rewards, people are going to be buying more nodes with their rewards. Slowly and slowly, there'll be more accumulating more and more and more. Yeah, this is going to be an exponential project, in my opinion, and I think this can only go up, basically.
So thank you very much for watching the video. If you do want a review on the strong coin, then I strongly suggest that you watch our previous video on strong, where we have a review at the end of the video. So if you just skip straight to the end, but we do recommend you watch the whole video as a lot was covered in the last one that was not covered in this one. So yeah, thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you have a lovely rest of your day, and thank you.